How to play Steam games on Meta Quest 3. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you the very basic steps or method for you to be able to use your Meta Quest 3 via the Steam games that you have on your Steam library. So first is to open up your Steam client and make sure that you're logged in into your Steam account. And next is go into the search for store and simply search for Steam VR. This is totally free. All I have to do is to add it into your cart, or from here you can directly install it so that it will be added into your library. So once you already have Steam VR into your Steam client, what you want to do next is to connect your Meta Quest 3 to either your laptop or to your PC. Now what you want to do is simply use a line cable that has Type-C from end to bottom, which is the one that is showing on your screen. Get it from anywhere on your local store. Now next, once you have connected your wire in, all you have to do is to open up your preferred web browser and then head into the MetaQuest official site to update the Quest software. From here, choose the make and model of your MetaQuest, say MetaQuest 3, and choose on Get Started. And on your screen, you will be having an instruction on how you can set it up. Hit on Continue, and from the load the boot screen, you should be able to see this option here that says connect your device. Once you've already connected the wires, just click on this option here that says connect device, and then it will automatically read the cable that you use from your PC. And once your MetaQuest 3 is fully connected into your PC, that's the time that you can go into your Steam library to play the games. And that's it. That's how you play Steam games with MetaQuest 3.